Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at a 2020 Harris 250 Grand Mariner. You can see the kind of the metal flake resemblance on the side here. The blue, the silver stripe. This is a tri-tune. As we enter the boat, you'll see these brand new seat loungers here in the back. Obviously you can't sit back here while you're underway, but nice spot to lounge. You got speakers as well as a radio control there. Coming into the boat, this is what we call our center walkthrough. Got two nice loungers here in the back. Of course, you got the same recessed cup holders, armrests on the seats. Got a dressing room door with a dressing room. Also has a subwoofer in the side compartment. These are really nice to put your cell phones, put your bags, get them out of the way, as well as being able to access them easy so you don't have to keep lifting up the seats and having people move. Got your front loungers here, storage under every seat. And here at the helm, we decided to go with a touch screen. You have two touch screens, cruise control, all your interior lighting controls, courtesy lighting. You get multiple different colors with your courtesy lighting, goes through the rainbow. Active trim on this boat. This is a great deal, a great new boat. So again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Stop out and check this boat out. And like always, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.